Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Let's start. To get this effect in your photo you need CapCut application. If you're from India, you need to use VPN to make this work. Cause CapCut is banned in India. Make sure your CapCut application is updated to its latest version. If you don't have CapCut application, you can download it from my Telegram channel. Now open the CapCut application. Go to New Project. Now add photos. Delete the end part. Now click on the photo and go to Style. Now click on Camera Shake Effect. Now apply the same effect on second photo. You can also add audio from Add Audio option. I'm not using any audio. I just wanted to show you how you can do this effect. Now, you can select resolution and export. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.